वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी सेलिंग योर फ़ोटोज़। आप लोग फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह अपनी सेल करके कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। फाउंडेड बैक इन 2000, iStock is a pioneer in the micro stock photography industry, offering reality-free photos online at low rates. Their model has since been copied by several other agencies, but iStock has managed to set itself apart through its distinguished image brokering. Early on, iStock was a favorite among stock photographers, offering high percentage royalties and decent commission. But after Getty Images purchased iStock in 2006, its reputation and commission went down, at least with photographers. That's not to say it's not worth sending your photos to iStock if you do it correctly, but there are some important things to watch out for. Founded in 2000 by Bruce Livingston, a Canadian entrepreneur, as iStock Photo, headquartered in Calgary, Alberta, purchased by the world's largest stock photography agency, Getty Images, in 2006 for $50 million. Specific images cost a certain number of credits, the lowest being around $12 depending on the photos collection. They are featured in iStock offers two photo collections. The Essential collection is a lower price option and consists of quality images for average design needs. These cost one credit each. The Signature collection includes photos that are exclusive to iStock and according to iStock have a higher production value and artistic worth. These are more expensive for customers, costing 3 credits each, and as such, photographers get paid more per photo for these images. iStock also offers customers subscription plans, allowing for a certain amount of product downloads each month. Again, there are two options: the Essential Collection only, or a more expensive option that includes both Essential and the Signature collections. All of this is important because it affects how much you get paid. If your photos are in the Essential collection, your royalties are 15%. If your photos are in the Signature collection, your royalties are anywhere from 25 to 45%. And keep in mind that Signature collection photos sell for more, so your royalties are going to be higher per item. Sounds good, right? But hang on, there is more. To have your photos placed in iStock Signature collection, you have to become iStock exclusive. Being iStock exclusive has its pros and cons. Pros: your image will sell for a higher rate. Your photos could be added to an iStock special collection. Your images may be selected to sell on Getty Images, where photos sell for more. Your photos will receive higher search priority. Your photos will receive greater protection if they are used illegally. You can join the iStock exclusive contributor group on Facebook and network with photographers from around the globe. You can participate with other iStock exclusive contributors in iStock events around the globe, such as iStock Labs and Mini Labs. And Mini Labs is a big one. iStock exclusivity requires a contributor exclusivity agreement, which means you agree to only submit your photos to iStock. This does not just mean you can't resubmit photos accepted by iStock to other microstock sites. It means you can only submit photos whether accepted or not to iStock. It prevents you from having full control over all of your photos. As the iStock website itself explains, being exclusive means that for the file types that you are exclusive for, you agree that you cannot license any of that type of content in a reality-free model elsewhere. So, for example, if you are exclusive for photos, you can't license any photos with a competitor under the reality-free model. Even images that you are have never submitted to iStock. As a quick side note, iStock more exclusive partner site Getty Images requires a file exclusive contract, which means any photos you submit must be exclusive to Getty Images. Unlike iStock, you can submit photos to other stock photography sites, just not the ones are similar that have been accepted by Getty Images. तो iStock क्या और iStock के ऊपर आप लोग फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह सेल करके कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये हमने देखा आज की वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। गुड बाय।